A warm welcome to Uday Kiranalu. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss if clauses in an easy and simple manner. If clauses are also called conditionals. There are four kinds of if clauses. Number 1, zero conditional. Number 2, open or probable condition. Number 3, imaginary or improbable condition. Number 4, impossible or unfulfilled condition. Now let's have a look at each one. First one, zero conditional. Simple present is used in the if clause and in the main clause in this condition. The uses are: we use this conditional to talk about universal truths, scientific facts, and habits. The structure is if plus subject plus v1, that is if clause, subject plus v1, that is the main clause. Here is an example. You see well if you wear glasses. It is a fact. We have used simple present tense in both the clauses.
Bro, what happens if I beat this dog?
Bro, if you beat the dog, it chases you away. Now type 1. Open or probable condition. Conditionals of this type tell us that something will happen if a certain condition is fulfilled. The condition may or may not be fulfilled. Uses. We use this condition to speak about possible or probable events and to make promises or warnings. The structure is if plus subject plus v1, that is simple present tense in the if clause, subject plus shall, will, can, may plus v1, that is the main clause. Now the example. If she studies well, she will get a first class. Here the condition is she has to study well. If she studies well, she will definitely get a first class. So this happens if that condition is fulfilled. That's why we use open or probable condition to talk about such kind of situations. Raju, what happens if I drink 5 cool drinks at a time?
Hurry, if you drink 5 cool drinks at a time, you will definitely catch cold.
Now let's move to type 2. Improbable or imaginary condition. It is used when we talk about something which we don't expect to happen or which is purely imaginary or unreal. The structure is if plus subject plus v2, that is simple past in the if clause. In the main clause we use subject plus should or would or could or might plus v1. Now let's see this example. Priya, what would you do if you were the CM now? Priya is a small girl and there is no possibility for her to become the CM at this age. This will never happen, but we ask such questions to encourage creative thinking or to know their opinions.
Hey, what would you do if you were a bird suddenly?
Oh, I like this idea. If I were a bird, I would go round the world. Now type 3. Impossible or unfulfilled condition. Conditionals of this type say that something did not happen because a certain condition is not fulfilled. The structure: if plus subject plus had plus V3, that is if clause. In the if clause, we have used past perfect. In the main clause, we find subject plus should or would or could or might plus have plus V3. Here is an example for us. If I had enough money, I would have built such a grand castle. Here, the speaker didn't have enough money, so she didn't build such a castle. Already this had happened and we couldn't set the things right now.
Bro, you didn't help me with my homework yesterday.
Sorry, boss. If I had visited you, I would have helped you with your homework.